Hello guys, welcome back with the last, yes really a last Sudoku on this page, puzzle page in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, January the 16th, 2021. The last Sudoku is a tectonic one. Tectonic with a 1 star. And this will be number 2180. Alright, so let's get started. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. And the first strategy is to find the single box. I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Then do we have more? No. Can we see here dual box? I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Here also the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Here we have a dual box. I do not know what number they are, so I mark them for you. Alright, here we have 2 boxes left. 5, 3 and 2 are filled in, so the 4 and the 1 are left. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, but those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 also, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2. That box should be a 2, and this should be a 1. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes for you. Here also the 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes for you. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2. Mark this for you. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, but also that box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, but also those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left here, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Let me think. Yeah. 1, 4, 1. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, and cannot be a 5 because I have marked those 2 boxes with a 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be the 4. So now we have the 1 and the 5 left. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 5. So this is a 4. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So the 1 and the 5 are left. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Okay. So now we have a 4 here. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. 1 and a 5. So this box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. So only 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this is going to be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this is going to be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. This should be a 3. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, and cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this can be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, but also that box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yes. This box should be a 1, because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 4, and the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 1. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this Tectonic one with 1 star, a.k.a. Suguru. And do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, boys and girls, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you on Monday. Have a great day. Bye bye for now.